Hey guys, Voltage Mania here. Today we're going to be looking at an old immersion heater, aka Element. This was my grandma's one. Burnt out. Oh, yuck. All the insulation from inside. Now, we have actually realized the water corroded all the pipe, as you can see, and it was a direct short to earth. Of course, this time, the back of it. Here you go, you get the earth screw here, and either one of these you put the red and black wire in. But one of these screws was removed when the installation was when this was removed out of the immersion heater, or the hot water cylinder. And here we go, if you can see it. Maybe not, but it says maybe somewhere around here. Damn, trying to get the can read it maybe. 230 volts, 2 kilowatt. Here we go. Just 2000 watts. And if you times it by voltage or divide, not sure. There we go, calculator. Just do a bit of maths on the calc. Go the 2000 watts here. I think this is how you do it. Divided by 230 volts equals 8.6 amps. So there you go. Or if you do it the other way around, let's try it. 230 divided by 2000 equals, no, that's not right, 8.6 amps. There you go. It's your answer, 8.6 amps. But you can get these in the 3000 watt version or higher. Depends what water tank, how big is it. So my grandma's one wasn't the biggest, so the 2000 watt. Before she had a 1500 watt, which is probably the smallest one, I think, which is around 6-7 amps, maybe 5 even. But over here, as you can see, water's corroded, direct short to the earth. But the earth terminal is not really too much of damaged. Here you go, this is the actual disgusting actual Element. So pretty old. This is not the oldest immersion heater, but you can get all the gunk in that out of it, the white insulation touching the earth. But oh dear, this bit fell out here. It's not good. Anyway, so as you know, the circuit diagram positive, if you put on any of these, goes here, up here, around, back to the neutral. I'm not sure what immersion heater this is. I think it says it up there. Hermetic. Sorry guys, you can't see it, but it's a Hermetic immersion heater. And you got the soldered pins here, and then you get the screw. Always when you're fitting an immersion heater to the tank, always turn the wire clockwise. So as you turn the screw, the wire is always bent the way the screw is turning. So here we go. It's a Hermetic immersion heater. Quite a nice one too, actually. But of course, the water corroded it, and a blue on a 15 amp circuit breaker. Pretty disgusting to actually touch it, but just doing it for the internet. But inside you can see all this is just shorted out, completely broken, and not really worth it anymore. So, well, what else is to show you here? Nice metal, so I always have the earth. If you don't connect this up, to be honest, you've got to be quite insane not to connect the earth. If you don't touch a hot water cylinder, you're either seriously shocked or dead. And by the way, this is 230 volts you are handling with, so I'm not in America where it's 120, 110. So this will, if you touch this while this is bonded, if you touch this when it's live, you will get a pretty big shock. And all the corrosion up here as well, pretty disgusting. The best. But yeah, it's very clean back here. Very clean. But yep. That's the problems you can get with water heater, guys. So, that's about it. So, until next time, thank you for watching.